This is the iPhone X LCD screen. We put it on a hot plate and remove the base frame first. You just remove it little by little. Okay, the base frame it is coming off now, and we will use the steel wire to separate the cracked glass. Make sure that the steel wire it is just put above the glass, so you will not damage the digitizer touch. Okay, now the glass it is separated already. This is the iPhone X LCD screen, and we upgraded our alignment and lamination mode for X. So this is the base mode with the rubber, and you put the LCD screen on the rubber, and it has the flex cable slot, and put it inside in the back laminating machine. The part we use it is the glass with OCA together. You put this part on the other piece of the mold. It is alignment for the glass, and then put it together with the base mold, like this, and then close the door. This machine it will doing both vacuum lamination and debubble function together. No need air compressor and no need vacuum pump. And you click the start button, wait for about 4 minutes. We will see the result. And here there are 3 buttons. You will see the first one it is for start. When you click the start, it will doing both function for lamination and debubble together. And the mid one it is debubble. If you want to debubble only, you can click the mid button. And the third one, you just click it when you have some emergency during operation.